come take a look at the Park Hyatt Hotel in Saigon and at my room 744. Hi, Michelle here from Travelling Over 60. Come join me on this adventure. So this is our hotel, the Park Hyatt Saigon. So I just want to show you when you're trying to find your way back, look for the guitar. Our first day in Ho Chi Minh City is going to be a hot one, 32 degrees. I don't think I need to tell you what to wear, just something light and cool. Okay, let's take a look at the hotel in our room. Now, there's not a real lot of the hotel. I asked if I could video and they told me I could only do it in certain places. So this is the entry where we came in through the front doors, and over there is where we checked in. But we didn't do too much videoing in there. And now we're going to show you the hallways and our room. Let's go. Come through from checking in into this amazing foyer. Beautiful chandelier. And the lifts. And we're going up to room 744. Okay, we come out onto our floor. So floor 7. Look at this. That's down on level 3. I'll take you down there a bit later. Show you the pool. But back to our room. We're going this way, I think. Oh, I nearly got lost. That's my hazard with all these hotel stays. Which way do I go? This way. Up here. How beautiful is the corridor? And up to room 744. That's it, just here on the right. And I'll give you a room tour. But first I'm going to take you and show you this. So here's a side. It's probably not the nicest side, but I wonder what is going on. And out to the town. Okay. Back to our room tour, 744. Okay, here we are at the Park Hyatt Hotel in Saigon, and we've just arrived an hour late on our flights, and then the traffic was over an hour and a half to get here. But let's have a quick look at the room. So bathroom first. No step. Wow. Here I go again with the wow and amazing. You can see there. We've got some soap, towels. We've got the shave mirror. Toilet is separate, all flat. Look in here, a bath. Oh, so it's a wet room. So you just have the shower there. Your bath is over there. And you can see there's a door here. Sorry, you're looking at me as well. There we go. Let's have a look at the products. Okay, products there. Now into this little shower room, I just nearly tripped on that step. There's a tiny little step there, but you can just step over it once you know it's there. Coming back out. Here we go. It's the wardrobe. Looks like a big safe. Extra towels. We've got some cupboards. A full-length mirror. Got some little slippers down the bottom. Laundry bag. Plenty of hangers. And a robe. Oh, and some nice little material hangers as well. Here we go. Then this walks straight through into your bedroom, as well as this was the door around there. More cupboard space here, but look, another full-length mirror, ironing board, and a torch. Okay, let's have a look in this one. Yeah, look more. Oh no, it's from the other side. Doors open on both sides, but it's the same wardrobe. I'll close that later. Okay, now here, bedside table, big bedside table. I love it when they're big like that. The outlets, so as you can see, switches, lamps. Now, I'm not sure if that water's complimentary. I'll have to read. We've literally just walked in the room, so I haven't tested anything out. To put your bags on, the rack there. And then look at this. This is just beautiful. Beautiful. So drawers. Oh, I can't open it one-handed. There we go. Beautiful big drawers. When we're only staying 2 or 3 nights, we tend not to unpack. We just live out of our suitcases. TV, and the TV is opposite this huge bed. There we go. Oh, the room is just beautiful. A desk if you need to do some work. Let's see, is there any outlets here? I can't see any. Another big mirror and outlets over there on the wall. There we go. Now, beautiful chair for the desk and a little coffee table. Another beautiful comfy chair, and there's your coffee. That looks like a pod machine on a teapot. Anyway, your cups and saucers. Let's see what's in these drawers. All your bits and pieces, your pods, and be careful, you probably have to pay for those snacks. Let's have a look down here. Here's your fridge. And you probably have to pay for all those bits in there too. Be careful, read everything. There's your kettle, glasses. This is just beautiful. Now, let's have a look. This is our view. Oh, it's a bit hard to see. How do I get this blind up? I might have to show you that tomorrow when I work it out, but I'm tired and I really want to go to bed. It's actually about 10:35 here in Saigon, and we were up at 4:30 in Australia this morning. And I think in Australia, what time is it in Australia? In Australia, it's 1:30 in the morning of the next day, so we're really tired. Okay, if I find more things to show you tomorrow, I'll do that. I'll just show you this bedside table, outlet, and all the lights as well. Okay, that's it for us tonight, and I'll show you the view tomorrow. Morning. We've had a really good night's sleep. The bed was great, but last night I couldn't show you out the window, so I want to show you now. So, big window, and I'm just going to show you. I opened the blinds up over here. Just walking around the table, and pretty much the views of buildings, if you can see out there. But look down on level 3, they have that's where the gym and everything is, and a pool. And I'll be going down to show you down there later. And this is just out to the street with some nice little trees around to make you feel like you're not in the middle of the city. Now we've headed down for breakfast, and as you can see, it's a buffet breakfast. You choose what you want. We ordered our juice and our cup of tea, and I'd really like to show you what I ordered for breakfast, but I was hungry. I couldn't wait. Now, there's no video of this area on level 3, just some photographs. It was such a beautiful, peaceful area. Now, if you look over there, some of the rooms come out and have a little balcony out to the where the pool area is, and the little covered pergolas so that you can go and sit and relax. They also have this as a smoking area, and then we have the swimming pool. Okay, well, that's about all I can show you of the hotel, and we're going to head out to the markets, but that's in a different video. Now, before you rush off to see that video, I just want to show you our welcome dinner. This is the menu. You might like to pause and have a look what they offered us. But let me just show you the pictures. Now, my husband and I, we're not foodies. We're just happy for somebody to be cooking us a meal. But take a look at what they offered us for this beautiful meal. And this was the dessert, and it was delicious. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you the walk from the hotel to where the markets are and a glimpse of what's in the markets. Thank you. I'll even give you some tips on how to get through the traffic in Vietnam, so you don't want to miss the next video. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you have, I really appreciate it. Like I've said before, I don't get anything out of this. I'm not paid to do this. I just want to help out people that were feeling anxious like I am when I travel. I just want to give the information across so that you feel comfortable. So the way that you can help me out and all the other people that might be watching is by subscribing to my channel and giving me a thumbs up on each video, and then YouTube will put it out to more people. Thank you so much if you're supporting me, and if you're not subscribed already, please think about subscribing to my channel. Now, if you haven't seen these videos, just click and come and join me.